Hi, this is Alan from Ripperton Resources, and today I want to introduce our new product, and this is the Packout Wall holder, Milwaukee Power Head, and this is model 2825-20. And today I have an 8 amp hour battery pack on it. I believe it'll hold the 12 amp hour battery as well, or you can simply use it without the battery pack attached. And it's really simple. It takes off of the same principle that our blower holder has, in that we're going to utilize the keyhole here, and we're going to utilize these fan holes, or the holes for air venting here, to help hold it in place. It's very simple. You just come in and push it straight up against it and down, and it's in place. To take it off, you can just simply lift it just a little bit slightly and pull it straight up. It's going to keep it from tipping off if it's bumped. It's going to hold it in place very well. It's very simple to mount, to put on and to take off. It's very simple. Again, you just lift it from there, or you can come in from the top to mount it. It's very simple. I'm using these little tabs here to make sure that it engages into the Packout Wall system. Just pull those two tabs in, slide it up and off. To install it, you just push it up towards the top of this slot, and the tabs will automatically go in. Slide it down and it locks in place. Again, we're going to secure the head, the power head for the string trimmer and all the different attachments that go on it. We're going to attach it with the key ring, and we're also going to attach it using these two little feet that stick up. And that's our new product. With this and the blower holder for the Packout system and some other products, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com.